So here is the next problem, sixth problem. What is that? Explain why this number and this number are composite numbers. First, write the given numbers. Given numbers. What are that? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. First one. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 5. This is second one. What they're asking, why these first and second numbers are composite numbers? Explain. First you see, if you simplify this, you will get an number. If you simplify this also, you will get an number. First, simplify that. First, before simplifying, see what are the common terms are there in both first number and second number. In first number, what is the common term? 13. So 7 into 11 into, if 13 takes out here 1, here also 1. Now 13 into 7 into 11, how much? 77. 77 into 1, 77 plus 1, 78. So what is the multiplication? 8 3s are 24, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. Next 1 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 9, 4 1 10 14, 10 14. Answer of 13 into 78 is 1014. What is that? 1014. Now, what is the answer of first? Take common. What is the common term? 5. Here the common term is 5. If you take out 5 as common, in 5 place we will write 1. 1 plus 1 now. Here 5. 7 6 are 42. 42 into 1, 42. 42 fours. 2 fours are 8. 4 fours are 16. 168. 168 into 3. 168 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 6 are 18. 20. 3 1s are 3. 504. Again 504 plus 2. 504 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 1008. 1008 into 1. 1008 plus 1. That is means 1009. Now multiply 1009 into 5. 5 nines are 45. 5000 plus 4. 4500. 5 ones are 5. 5045. Now come to our question. What is that? Explain why these two numbers are composite. You know that the condition for composite is the number have more than two factors. More than two factors. If you observe here, this number 1014 will have factor 1 and 1014. This is common for every number. Now we have to see whether this number is having more than these two factors or not. So just go through divisibility rules to check whether the number having more than two factors or not. See, if the last number is having a even number, that means the number is divisible by 2. That means this is also divisible by 2. That means 2 is also a factor of 1014, which is proved that 1014 and this number, this first number is composite. Same for as the second number also, you see the last digit is 5. That means it is divisible by 5. That means this number also having more than two factors. That is why that given two numbers are composite.